In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an app from Base44. By the end, you'll have a clean zip file of your project that you can store, share with collaborators, or move into another environment. Before we start, a quick note: use a modern desktop browser and make sure you have permission to access the project you want to export. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, that's usually due to updates, but the labels and locations we'll use are consistent across versions. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 web app. If prompted, sign into your account. It helps to bookmark the page you use most often, especially if you'll be exporting regularly. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load your dashboards and navigation. Next, head to the Apps area. You'll find this as a tab or a sidebar item labeled Apps. This is your central place to see projects you own, collaborate on, or have been shared with. If there's a filter like My Apps or Workspace, use it to narrow down to the most relevant list so you can locate the right project quickly. Now, select the specific app you want to export. Click the app name to open it. If you're part of multiple workspaces or have a long list, use the search bar or filters to find it faster. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct project by glancing at the preview or the app details before moving on. Opening the wrong project can waste time if the export is large, so a quick double check here is helpful. Inside the app, look for the option labeled Export Project as zippy. This is typically available from the editor or preview view, often in the top right menu or toolbar. Click it, then give Base44 a moment to package everything. The system will bundle the project files and prepare a downloadable zip. When your browser prompts you, choose a folder on your computer where you want to save it. Keep the zip file intact, don't rename the extension, and store it somewhere secure if it contains proprietary assets or configuration. If your project is large, the download may take a bit longer. Letting the process finish without navigating away ensures a clean export. That's it. You went to Base44, opened the apps area, selected your project, and exported it as a zip. Keep that file as a backup or share it with your team as needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want a quick refresher.